Today we will be testing the Zidni vertical run down, vertical run up indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the Zidni vertical run down, vertical run up indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 49 different strategies, with 13 of them being profitable. We have also tested a total of 560 indicators, with 237 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. And keep in mind that we test all these strategies and indicators on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. Okay, so today's indicator is the Zidni vertical run down, vertical run up indicator. You can see it here on screen. And so the last indicator that we did was also by this same creator. That is the Zidni. I believe I'm pronouncing that correctly. Could be wrong, but nonetheless, that is the creator, is the beginning of the indicator name there. That's their name. And in the last one, it was an engulfing candle type pattern, along with a trend kind of indicator. And this one is actually that trend indicator without the engulfing candle portion of it. And so just like on the last one where it was showing like an uptrend and a downtrend, in this case it shows just up and down labels listed here on the screen. And so what we're looking for is basically when we get an up, then we are going to go long. When we get a down, then we are going to go short. And so that's kind of what we're looking for. See how that works. It's possible maybe able to reverse these signals, but we'll test it this way first, and then maybe we'll circle around back to it and then test it the opposite way and see if that works at all. But for now, like I said, that's how we're going to try it. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this. Okay, so the first signal that we got was a long signal right here. You can see that price comes up, gives us that up label that we're looking for there, but almost immediately it pushes downward here pretty significantly. stopping us out on that first signal there. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, so the second signal that we picked up was also a long signal. You can see here, once again, we get them up label that we're looking for, and price is able to push up pretty nicely this time, getting us up there to our take profit. What I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we will pick this up when we are at the end of the year. All right, so that puts us at the end of the year right there. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay and some of the regular members post regular market analysis, where they put up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using, exactly when they're entering trades, exiting trades, taking profits, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested, that we have recently had transferred over into an Excel sheet. And so you get access to the Excel sheet and the PDF of all the indicators, showing exactly which indicators were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates. And you'll get access to a Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested. That shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones were losers, their win rates, as well as links to go back and review those individual videos. And another new thing that we've been doing here recently is one of our other members has put together a small handful of profitable optimized indicators that we are giving away to all the patrons for free. So there is a ton of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I highly recommend it. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here. Get everything in focus like usual. There to there. All right, let's go ahead and count these out, see what we get out of it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. So we had 24 trades all together, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. And so that barely misses that 60% criteria that we were looking for. The indicator that we did yesterday, pretty sure it was yesterday, did significantly better than this particular version of the indicator. Seemed to do really well when a strong trend was in place. Was able to take a trade, hit take profit, then enter another, then hit take profit, and so on, stair stepping down, which in reality wouldn't be exactly the way that we would trade this particular indicator or trade in general, but it was able to add up to quite a few wins. But unfortunately, it did take quite a few inaccurate trades as well, and yeah, that really did just kind of diminish the overall win rate of this particular indicator. And so like I said, might play around with it in reversing these, but honestly, just looking at particular areas like this, I don't think reversing these, taking the down signal as a long trade, would do any better. I think it might actually do worse. And so, yeah, all in all, like I said, not the greatest indicator. The other way that we used it worked a lot better. So it is going to go on the no list for now, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.